Hope you're doing fine, guys. So this video is all about how to prep your armpits before shaving, and I want to show you the prep before waxing, what you're supposed to do so that you can have smooth aftershave. And today I'll not be waxing, I'll be shaving. Before you shave, first of all, you're supposed to exfoliate so that you can have a smooth aftershave like this, to have smooth armpits without bumps. Stay tuned, guys, continue watching, and thank you for your support. I really appreciate it. Guys, if this is the first time here, don't forget to hit on this red subscribe button, subscribe for more videos like this. And guys, thank you so much for your support. Thank you for the love you're showing on my videos. So let's get into the video. So first of all, guys, this is what I'll be using. This is Himalayan salt and this is table salt, normal salt. These two are so good at exfoliating your body or your armpits or legs. I'll be using one on this left side and this one on this other side, and guys, you're going to see they do amazing job. So the first step, guys, is to exfoliate your skin before you shave so that you can have that smooth and have smooth skin afterwards and avoid having bumps and pimples on your armpits. So let's do it. So this side, this is my right side, guys. I'm going to use salt. You don't need to add any water, just use it as it is, dry, and then you exfoliate. So once I'm done exfoliating on this side, just do it like for 30 seconds, don't overdo it. I'm going to use my exfoliator. This is Himalayan salt. I'm going to use this one to exfoliate this other side. I don't like how it smells, but it does its job. So let's do it. So the difference is that Himalayan salt it's watery, and the table salt, normal salt, is dry. But both work so well. I've done experiments on both and I've seen it's working, so I'm just here to share it out so that someone else would benefit. You can see this side is salt, normal salt, and this other side is the Himalayan salt. So I'm going to wash it off. Just use normal soap to wash it off, and I have my Dove soap which is going to do its work. The next step, guys, is to shave. To shave, I'm going to use a normal Gillette or use whatever you have, guys. On the side which I used normal salt, I'm going to use Dove soap to shave, and also the other side which I used the Himalayan soap, I'm going to use the Aloe Vera gel to shave, guys, and you're going to see the outcome together. I'm just going to apply Dove soap, numerous amount of Dove soap on this side. So I'll just shave. I'm going to go back with the opposite direction of hair growth, and guys, as you can see, this is just a clean shaving. So I'm going to use aloe vera to shave this side. I'm going to apply amount of aloe vera like that. The growth of the hair is this side, this direction, upwards direction, so I'm going to use the upwards motion like that. And then downwards, then that. What do you think, guys? The aloe vera gel also does an amazing job when it comes to shaving. As you can see, it does so good. This other side, Dove soap and aloe vera gel. So I'm going to wash off. That is it, guys. This side I used the Dove soap, and this other side I used the aloe vera. They both work so good. So I'm going to use Savlon. This is Savlon. It's so soothing. It's better than Dettol. Just to soothe the area which I shaved, like so. Just wait for it to dry, and you have clean underarm, guys, and the final outcome is just amazing. You have your clean underarms through shaving. So let me know what you think guys about shaving with aloe vera and dove and exfoliating with normal salt versus Himalayan salt. They both works amazing. Yeah, there's no difference. As you can see, this side which I used salt and dove soap, it's just so good, and this other side there's no much difference. So guys, what do you think? So let me know guys what you think about my simple ways to exfoliate dove soap versus aloe vera to shave your armpits to have that smooth after shave. And thank you guys for your time, thank you for your support. Next video will be on how to brighten your underarm. Stay tuned for that. And also guys, if you've not watched my last video on how to wax using wax beans, I'm going to pin that video here. That video is already here guys. Watch that video and let me know what you think. Which one would you prefer, waxing versus shaving? Thank you guys for watching. I'm out.